So, if you want to learn how you can make $30 per hour without any experience or any set of skill with only your mobile phone, have some flexibility and needs no upfront investment. All you need is one device, which is a mobile phone or tablet. Time in to watch the whole video because I'm going to show you how you can make it and think about the impact of having like $100 or even $200 per day on your life, okay? So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So today's video is about a website that is called Clickworker. So Clickworker, guys, is a website that gives you the ability to take some micro tasks and it doesn't need any experience, okay? So anyone can do this regardless of age, language, or country. And the best thing about it is the amount of tasks and the diversification and also the amount of money that you can make, okay? So this website, guys, it's like Pico Workers or Micro Workers, if you know those websites. If you don't know them, I already talked about them in another video that I'm going to show in the end screen of this video, okay? So let's talk about the important thing. All you have to do, guys, is to click on earn money as a click worker. Once you do this, they will redirect you to this web page. So this is the most important thing, or this is the most important page on this website. What you have to do, guys, is to download the application here or here, okay? Once you download the application from the App Store or the Android phone, that depends on the phone that you have, all you have to do is to go through the sign up process, or you can do the sign up process first and download the application later. So let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, this is how it works. First of all, you should sign up, okay? And after signing up to the clickworker.com, fill out your user profile, and which means you have to fill all the information in your user profile, okay? Complete short assessments. So the first thing is that good results ensure many jobs. This is very, very important, which means that you have to focus on like one or two of them and not like all of the ways to make money on this website, because they have statistics, okay? And they have tracking systems, so they will track your performance, they will track your progress, and like that they will give you more tax that depends on the type of the jobs that you are taking, that depends on the type of the tasks that you are taking, okay? So just put this in mind, okay? And just focus on the ones that will pay you the most. And 5 thing is that they will process your jobs online, and the 6th thing, you will get paid on a weekly or monthly basis through PayPal, okay? So those are the benefits, but we don't care about the benefits here. Let me show you how you can do this. So become a click worker. What you have to do is to sign up if you don't have an account with them, okay? So all you have to do is to sign up. Once you click on that, they will redirect you to this webpage, and here you will have to sign up. So like you're seeing here, as a click worker at clickworker.com, you work independently and completely according to your own schedule. So you don't have a schedule that you will have to follow. You work in your free time and you will get paid. So this is complete freedom. You don't have to work some hours like you're doing, like if you're working from 9 to 5, okay? So there are no hidden costs or fees, which means this is completely free. It's free to join the website. There is no fee, there is no monthly fee or a subscription if you want to join the website. The second thing is all you need is a computer with an internet connection, okay, or a mobile phone. No formal qualification are necessary, which means you don't need any degree, you don't need any set of skills to do this. And the 4th thing, you receive payments once you've earned $10. Your balance never expires. So if you have this $10, you can keep it for ages and they will not take it from you, okay? Because it's your money. So the 5th thing is we take your online security seriously and never give your information to a third party, which means they will not share your email address or any other information with third party, okay? So if you have any other question, make sure to visit the frequently asked question page, which is very, very important if you want to know more information about this website. So let me show you one thing that is very, very important, is the country of residence. From one of those countries you can make money. Okay, just make sure that your country is already here. If it's not here, then it's not for you. Okay, so just don't waste your time. So after that, let me show you the tasks or the jobs that you can do in this website. Not here. Let me show you. Let's go back. So now, when we go back to the website, let me show you the tasks that you can do. So first of all, those are the types of jobs that you can take, okay? Creation of text, which means that you can create some simple text. You don't have to be some professional writer to do this, okay? All you have to do is to make some simple articles about different topics. Okay, like you're seeing here, I use someone who enjoys jotting things down and making notes about different topics. And have you always wanted to turn your hobbies into a sideline? Well, this is for you. It's like text broker, but it's not like that serious like text broker. Okay, so this is for you. If you don't have any experience in writing, you can make money with it. Okay, and you can find other informations here, so make sure to read this. And the second type, guys, is the data categorization, which means the process of sorting and categorizing data into various types. Let me show you. So the forms or any other distinct class, not just data or something like that. Well, data classification or categorization basically enables the separation and classification of data according to data set requirements for various business or personal objectives. It is mainly a data management process. Okay, so this is not something that is really for professional. It's like for beginners. Okay, so just don't take it that serious. Okay, it's really, really easy. And the third type, guys, or the third type of jobs that you can find in this website, which is very, very easy, if not the easiest way to make money in this website, is copy editing, which is the process of reviewing and correcting written materials to improve accuracy, readability, and fitness for its purpose, and to ensure that it's free of error, omission, inconsistency, and repetition. And the fourth way to make money on this website is proofreading. So there are a lot of ways to make money on this website, like you see in here. As I said before, there are a lot of ways, so you won't get bored when you join the website. So proofreading, guys, is the reading of a galley proof of an electronic copy of a publication to detect and correct the production errors of a text or an art. So if you're passionate about reading, this could be the best thing for you. And one of my best ways to make money on this website is web research. Like you're seeing here, web research is actually for people that love to research for addresses of companies, restaurants, and so on. So people are so lazy to do this themselves. They will pay you to do that yourself, okay? And you will get paid for doing this. You can join the company. Okay, you can join the website and start making money just by web research. And let me show you the other ways to make money also. So there are surveys. Okay, I don't have to show you what is surveys, so because it's already known. Okay, let me show you. Okay, about mystery photographers. If you love taking pictures about shopping or visiting, or if you visited restaurants, okay, if you love to take pictures of that, you will get paid. Okay, so just make sure to read the whole thing here. It's not something that is really complicated. Just you take pictures you take pictures on a restaurant. Okay, you take pictures when you visit a place or something like that. You just take pictures and you put them on this website, and they will pay you for doing this. And the last way to make money on this website is by app testing, guys. So app testing is basically like user testing websites, but in this website you are gonna test applications. So you're gonna download them and test them. Okay, so to make sure that there is no malfunction in the application, there is no problem in the application. Everything works perfectly. The fonts looks good, the colors matching each other, the buttons work perfectly. Okay, so this is what you have to do, is to test application and to give your opinion, and also to make sure that everything is working perfectly. You don't have to be a developer or something like this. All you have to do is to test simple things, and you will make money doing this. Okay, so like you're seeing here, guys, Clickworker is giving you a lot of possibilities, a lot of ways to make money online. So even if you don't have any experience, you can make even $30 per day. Okay, $30 per day. And if you are taking it seriously, you can make $30 per hour, guys. So this is very, very important for you if you want to start making some money without having any experience, without having any set of skill before. This thing could be for you. This thing could be for you if you want to raise some money to start some real business online. Okay, but guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.